right, so I'm at the Tajima booth, and not the Tajima, the HR Solutions, and I'm telling you, they are showing me the Tajima's embroidery machines, and I'm telling you, these things are quiet. So that's what the stitch out just stitched out. That looks really nice. So it has this comes standard, or you have to add this on?
Standard.
So this piece comes standard right here, and then all the machine in its glory, it sits on the back of the machine like this, and the stand comes as a part of it too. And it's small, it's tiny. This thing will fit almost anywhere. And this is a 16 needle, 15. So it's a 15 needle. This has an automatic tension system, right? No, this one don't have an automatic tensioner. Just that one, and that one down there.
That one. And then this is an 18 needle.
Oh wow! This is an 18 needle version, he said, and then look at that. These things stitching out. These things are stitching out really nice. Yeah, I like how they stitch out.
Step up your A game, step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.